panettones here. Huge. Look at the column of traffic. It's just after 8. We've been trying to get to Asolo. Georgia recommended back roads. We got lost, backwards and forwards, but we seem to be making slow progress. Now we're on the main road, breathing in not petrol, but lots of diesel. Ugh. It's 8:44 and it's already quite humid. The recovery just about every day during this ride has been pretty bad. Yesterday was great when we went to It's our last day here. We leave tomorrow morning. Hopefully we'll get the boarding passes printed. %. Oh, 10%. Almost there. Better wait for Rudy. There's the fountain. We're here. Rudy, I think we'll go this way and do a loop, alright? Huh? Oh, here we are. Asolo. We'll do a quick loop and go to Castelfranco. I wonder where the Cartier agency is again. Here we are. I'm trying to remember where that building was. This is where we stopped before. Construction going on. the terrace bar, but it's not open, of course, as you can see the door's shut. There's a little view there. It's a bit cloudy and a bit overcast, but yeah, it's all over. We're going to Castelfranco, then do a bit more shopping in Cittadella and wind it up, pack everything up and head to Sardinia. This area here, good. We'll get down this way and get out. Yeah. Bit of a wait. The last downhill, far out. Jesus. Ah. If it was this rough road, I'd catch him or her, it. We're heading to Castelfranco next. Hopefully we can get to there without too much trouble. Castelfranco, Veneto. Beautiful. Go right, go right. Do a quick tour. There's the towers, the castle, it's a bit run down. Quiet. Just gonna do a big lap or big circle of it. We're looking for Borgo Vicenza, good? Street. Yeah. It's a right turn. This is like a big circle. Look at that ice cream, gelato. Yeah, Alfio's shop is round the corner here. There's the castle walls. Look presentable. Good, turn right, let's go. We're on our way home. Ciao, Castelfranco. I'll just go through the red light. La Speranza, that's where we stayed in 2001, Cord. That's if he's open. Al Fiolago. Jewelry. And we're at a bar and in Castelfranco we just saw Alfio, and he unfortunately was too busy to come out with us for a coffee, so we just gone around the corner, and Rudy made a comment, does it get any better? So I thought I'd do a bit of filming for him on his behalf. I don't know if I'm getting it heard, but I don't want to make it too obvious that I am filming. But yeah, we'll head to Cittadella and then I guess do a bit of local shopping, or head home then do some local shopping and get ready, pack, and we're out of here. So yeah, it's life.